Hello, and welcome back to Edunendo. My name is Teacher Andrew, and I'll be taking you today for your lesson. We are going to cover English mistakes that beginners make. Do you say she can to swim or he go to school? Well, you are not alone. Let's fix this together. So the first mistake that we're going to cover today, he go to school. This is wrong. Instead, you should say he goes to school. Now, a useful tip is to use this rule. For he, she, it, you must add an S to most verbs in present simple. The formula is the subject, he, she, it. For example, he goes to school. He is the subject, plus your verb, plus the S. So for example, she walks. She is the subject and walks is the verb. Likewise, in this sentence, it rains. It is the subject and rains is the verb. Now here's another tip. Add S for he, she, or it in present simple tense. Mistake number 2. She can to swim. No. She can swim. Good job. That's how it should sound. Another tip you can use here is never use to after modals like can, must, should. So never use to after modals like can, must, should. Now the modal verb, which is can, must, or should, plus your base verb. Your base verb is like play, swim, run, rains, whatever really. It should look like this. Can play, must go. Mistake number 3. I am study. Okay. Now, there's 2 ways you could say this because it depends on what you're trying to say. Now, you can say I study every day or I'm studying now. And good job because you are studying now. The present simple formula is the subject plus base verb. For example, I study. I is your subject and then study is your base verb. Now this is the present continuous formula where you look at am, are, or is, that's in yellow, plus your verb that ends in ing. For example here, I am studying. Okay, I am studying. Good job. Okay, now let's do a quick practice. Comment below in your answers. She, go, or goes to work. Number 2, I am eating, or eat lunch now. And the last one, they can to play, or they can play football now. Well, not now. Yeah, good job. How did you do today? This was a pretty basic video, but I'm sure you found these mistakes to be quite helpful. And like that donut at the bottom there, I hope you're smiling and that you have a great day after this. Goodbye.